It's the hot new darling in the App Store, and you probably heard of it by now, and that may leave you wondering whether you should bother with it or should you jump on it before you regret missing a golden opportunity for yourself as an entrepreneur. And that's Lemon8. The sister app to the embattled app TikTok, Lemon8 has been rolled out in more recent times, perhaps as a hedge against TikTok being banned in more countries, including the United States. But it's not just a TikTok 2.0 kind of thing. Actually, Lemon8 is a mashup between Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram. You can post pictures, multiple image carousels, and of course, video-based content too. It definitely has a Pinterest kind of corporate culture or feel to it, which allows for a more elevated experience, look, and feel. If you have a business, you're definitely not slumming it by opening up an account on Lemon8, that's for sure. But should you open up an account on Lemon8 for your business, you may be wondering? Well, the short answer is yes, but I have a few reasons why you should do so, no matter how busy you are and no matter how small your team is, even if you're currently a team of one. Number one, protect your brand integrity. No matter how active you plan on being when it comes to Lemon8, no matter how many posts you're capable of putting up per day or per week, what have you, you must grab up your account name, username, or handle right away before someone else does. So sure, you should grab up your own personal name too, even if your business name isn't under your name specifically. Why not? Downloading the app is free. Creating accounts is a free activity. So go for it. Grab your name and your business name, but grab it before someone else does, a competitor does. So this way you can protect your brand integrity. No one else can beat you to the punch for that business name. If your customers come on to Lemon8, they can find you and not be confused by finding someone else. A stitch in time saves 9, even on a platform like Lemon8, my friend. Number 2, increase brand awareness. Early adopters get great growth through easier discoverability in the beginning. It's just a fact. Just get in there, break the seal, start posting content, and optimizing it so that it can be found in search, and the algorithms on Lemon8 platform gets a better idea of how to suggest your content out in the feeds of their users too. You can and should write captions for your Lemon8 content that are keyword rich so that your ideal customer can find your content and know they're in the right place once they get there. You can and should further optimize your content with hashtags since they're a thing on the platform. And since the platform is so new right now, with more users than hardcore content creators, you have a better chance at being competitive in terms of search and suggested traffic on the app than you will a year from now or even 2 business quarters from now. The early bird gets the worm, as they say. Work hard now to be competitive while it's possible for you to do so on Lemon8, and you'll have built authority on the platform over newcomers who are weeks behind you. And in the meantime, you're increasing your brand awareness in the eyes of your ideal customer through your carefully curated keywords and hashtags. Organic reach is ridiculously easy on that platform right now. You don't have to buy ads and or boost posts or spend money at all for paid reach. It's unnecessary. So if you have more time than you do excess cash, be wise and invest your time, energy, bandwidth, and focus on getting on the Lemon8 platform and getting used to posting content to it, perhaps daily, at least several times a week, if not daily. Do it while you can and get your brand and its offerings on the radar screen of your niche in a super easy way. Number 3, appeal to those who can spend. While currently Lemon8 says that its ideal demographic is that of women in their 20s, that doesn't mean that women in their 30s or older won't use the app, of course. But if you're looking for a young female demographic with disposable income to spend on your products, services, or offerings, I'd argue you're in luck. 20s and 30s will be a lot of the user base. 20s galore now, but 30-somethings will be coming onto the platform and enjoying it too. And just like on TikTok now, women in their 30s won't take too long to become the fastest growing demographic on the platform. So if your niche is, amongst other things, a Gen Z female, boom, you're automatically in the right place to get out in front of them and get them interested in your brand. So look, if your niche is Gen Y or millennial, I'm gonna argue they're already on the Lemon8 platform. They're not gonna shy away from it. And they will be the next big wave to enjoy explosive growth in terms of use of Lemon8. So if your ideal customer is not Gen Z, but Gen Y instead, you still have a great opportunity to build a presence and a ton of authority for both search traffic and suggested traffic via the platform algorithms to have a commanding presence that millennial women will love. So I don't think it's a waste of your time to build a presence on Lemon8 right now anyway, while it's super easy to do so. To me, you can't go wrong. No, it is not the ideal customer or user for Lemon8 right now, and it's kind of good news if you're selling to women, be they Gen Z or Gen Y. The target audience for Lemon8 is not kids. It's not tween and teen boys. It's not men. So if you're not marketing to those demographics, you're happy. If you're not looking to create content on an app and or try to be competitive on an app where a great deal of the content might be, shall we say, sophomoric, rude, crude, and with an attitude, guess what? Lemon8 is a great place for your brand to claim an account, post content to, and grow authority over time. If you are marketing to boys, tweens, teens, men, this might not be the great place for you. Otherwise, welcome aboard. Lemon8 is for you. Don't miss out. Number 4, drive traffic to your website. The folks at Lemon8 are not playing around. They want you to create a digital home there for yourself and or your business. So they're willing to give you links to take your ideal customer to, yes, your website. It's a live link, so that's great. And or they can go nearly anywhere else you'd care to send them. Just like my 7-figure success client Joe's Dairy Bar did, immediately after claiming their account, they set up links to their TikTok where they're edging close to 1 million followers, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, and of course, their own website. Nice! Rising tides lift all boats. As people become aware of you on Lemon8, they're likely going to visit everywhere else that you can send them to follow you there too. Impress your ideal customer, and they're going to want to be everywhere your content is. You can have a website link that goes right to your email opt-in form if you like, and for many business owners, I recommend that you capture the leads as fast as possible, but that's a whole other topic of discussion for another day. For now, grab that account username or handle, grab that attention, fill out all of the fields for your links, and then make sure you optimize your bio. You currently have only 80 characters maximum for that bio, so be short and sweet about what your business is, who it's for, and what it can help the right person to do. Number 5, create crave-worthy content to convert. One piece of content a Lemon8 user encounters on the platform might serve as a digital breadcrumb to lead your ideal customer back to your account. Sure, they might follow you on social otherwise, but buy from you immediately? Well, they might not do that. Some will the first chance they digitally meet you, but most won't. But that's okay, and here's why. People are more likely to buy from you sooner or later if they see that you have a Lemon8 account chock full of content that interests them, not because you have a parade of product photos and a tsunami of sales announcements, but you have a lot of content that they can binge on that has everything to do with what concerns them or what they're obsessed with, or both. You win over far more sales, both short-term and long-term, by content marketing with solutions that, sure, stars your products, sometimes straight up sell those products, but other times feature them. And when the content is compelling, those products, services, or offerings of yours will sell themselves. A pre-existing audience who loves you might respond to straight-up sales announcements and two-dimensional product listing type content. A newbie to your brand-based community wants to fall in love with your content first and then buy from you. Create carousels that are full of tips that can help your ideal customer solve a problem. Post pictures that make it clear you understand their desires and that you cater to them. Upload videos that help them out or that kind of talks shop to them about what they can't get enough of because they're so passionate about it. Are we talking fashion, fitness, jewelry, cuisine? The entrepreneur who can win over a rabidly loyal brand-based community is the one that talks shop all day through their content, no matter what form it shows up in. Everyone's favorite subject is themselves and what they like or what problem they need to solve. Be that resource on Lemon8 with a Pinterest-inspired account with Instagram-themed photos and carousels and classy and not trashy TikTok-type videos that they'll enjoy. That's what wins over new customers today. Fast, effectively, and organically. Lemon8 is great for this right now. So that are all the ways you can use Lemon8 for your business, especially if you're just getting started at all, as an entrepreneur, on that platform as a new user, or both. Now, if you're interested in more free trainings about content marketing that converts, click here to see another video that YouTube thinks you'll like.